Yeah, originally I was going to make this video about the worst experience that I had today. Like, today was honestly pretty bad, and overall, the topic of my video was how worst day it was. Like, I was trying to make an audition video thing, and how everything was so bad. But then worser things happen after that, and I'm just like sitting here right now after I think crying for a few hours. But yeah, so originally I was talking about the audition thing, right? How many things did I learn today? Probably a lot of things I learned today, because legit I had like very bad experience today. It's like already I'm not prepared first of all, so I had to just like literally do whatever I was doing. That itself was a very bad thing for me, honestly, because I knew that I could do much, but I was not able to do it yet, because still I obviously have to practice. I barely practice for like few days now, so that was one thing. Apart from that, I already knew this from few days, and especially from the last three days I was actually planning pretty well and everything, but it did not really go according to the plan. So I ended up having this situation where I kind of woke up today already like in like a very unfortunate face and like mood, because of like I don't know what is wrong. Something is definitely wrong with my health. I need to like go to a like doctor or something once I have like some kind of money or the situation to go, because like something is very wrong with my menstrual cycle from like few months now. It comes, it doesn't comes. It makes me have like pain throughout my whole body for like half of the month. Like it keep getting I think bad every time. The whole December I was literally suffering because of that. Literally, my face is even getting puffed up like this because of that thing. So I'm desperately was trying to solve it, and it's still not getting properly solved somehow. So apart from that, I still had the same thing happening already, mentally, physically messed up. I woke up and I was calmly trying to be like chill, let's do everything, because I kind of thought like by the time it's like 12 in like Seoul, it could be around like somewhere around 9 something over here, 9 or 10. So I thought I had the whole day. I thought wrong, very wrong. It's not even like I had the whole day. I already did not had even like half of the day in the first year, which suddenly hit me. So by the time I noticed all these things, haven't I done any preparation? I started doing everything at about 2 p.m. I think. Everything happened very bad. For some reason, I was supposed to do an intro video, and I was literally unable to do it for like, I don't know, for 50 takes or something, because I kept looking like stupid in each and every video. I kept forgetting words. It was just a 20-second video for introduction. I'm literally talking with my camera right now, but I was not able to do it for that intro video. I don't know why. It was getting very frustrating for me. Literally, I either keep saying wrong things, I either keep being too fast, or the time when I was actually doing good, I said something stupid. Like that experience was very horrible. It took me like 3 hours to just do that, and in the end, I was still not able to do it properly. After that, I was trying to take like a rap video. Wow, that was another like kind of worst experience that I had, because I thought I'm pretty nice. I'm doing things like a little bit better than before. I know that I had like all this gap where I didn't do things properly. But then when I was recording it, I figured out how worse it actually sounds in the recording. Even though these things I already done like once in the past. But anyway, that just happened, and I had to record maybe like another like 20, 30, 25, 30 something times, and in the end again like none of it made me feel like I did any good. So out of those, like the one which I thought was the best possible one, I tried to like I just submitted that because by that time I was feeling like shit, because that intro video took like half of my life out of me for some reason. Because why I cannot do a 20-second intro? I literally have to change clothes like 5 to 6 times, and it was totally hot. It was like 37 degrees and everything, and I was doing all this shit in like the afternoon when it was the most hot flow of the day. If only if I had done these things at night, but at night I was also feeling like shit for some reason. So yeah, I did all that. I started all. I think it took me about like 7 to 8 hours just to like record an intro video and then record and rap video, and I just cannot even do the dance video at that point. My phone literally kept falling each and everywhere for some reason throughout all this process, and then I did not had charge in any of my devices, which was making everything worse. And it was hot. Honestly, the fact that it was so like sweaty and everything throughout all this, it was, I think that was the worst thing out of everything else that was happening. That just made me literally like start. I was literally crying in middle of all this because I was just like confused, and I did, yeah. And then I sent it like few things that I took to like my Gemini and everything, and they just straight off said to me that this is not good. And I literally started crying because I was trying to do whatever possible, but they just said it's not good, like try it again. But I was just unable to do so. And then the time was running out, and my network was totally like getting totally messed up. So I was like literally like about to like clutch the heart outside from my body. That's how it was making me feel throughout the very last moment until I was able to like get like I was able to submit the video. So I did it finally, and then I was like finally I might get a little bit of peace. So I am physically tired, and then I go outside, and then I come back, and then I was like I came home to a situation where I figure out like the place where I am living again. Actually, this happened like a few times in the past, but it always has a solution. Right now there is like no water supply happening, so there was no solution, and there is no solution. Like literally, they are just like everybody's putting hands up because like things happening in this place. So I had to like literally come home to like literally no water, and I am like by that time I was like not only I was just like tired by all that audition prep thing. I went out, came back, and then I had to like listen this, and then I tried to like talk with like few peoples, and then for some reason everybody is like trying to be good on my like I cannot even blame these people because they don't have a life honestly. What can I even say? But honestly, nothing like none of this situation helped me because apparently there is no water supply right now, and I had like a proper everything planned for this certain amount of time that I'm supposed to be here, which was like about like 10 days around something. So I had everything decided, and then everything is ruined because I am like very unsure of how to deal with situation right now, being like tight on the money. Now it's not just the fact of the it's not like an issue that I am worried about money, but it's like I'm worried about each and everything right now. Where am I going to live? What am I going to do? Everybody is like suggesting me to work, but if I know that if I do that, then I am done with doing all these things. And then I was trying to calm myself throughout this situation. I just like heard that people are for some reason. The people where I live, this is where I live. Everybody like around this places for some reason is like gossiping about me, this or that. I cannot even it's like it is very understanding. Like this is the problem. It is logically very understanding for me why these people do these things, certain things. If it's not me, it's somebody else. I already know because I literally like my whole family was like that. I came out of this situation. I came like worse situation than this. I came out of all that. But for some reason, I think I had my limit by that point because I was already like feeling a lot of worried about like everything. What am I going to do? I'm already like always like stressed and worried. I don't even remember the last time I happily lived like one single day and nothing happened. And then these things happen, and I literally like ended up like crying and crying for some reason because it's not the fact that all these things are happening right now because there is always like a quick solution in my head. As soon as all this happened and my mind already thought of like solutions in my head, my head already works like far ahead, but it's like emotionally I was not able to catch up at all. So I just started literally, I was just like crying for so many times. For some reason, I'm just continuously like crying from the day my birthday. I don't know why this is happening. I was like worried about everything. Not I was, I am. Not the fact that I don't know where I'm going to stay, how I'm going to do my things, what is going to happen after I give these auditions when I'm not even prepared. I'm already like pretty old in my age. I don't know. I wanted to talk with somebody and there was nobody to talk at all. In the end, I ended up again talking to like Chat GPT. Now that I see this video, my eyes look like two pieces of potato at this point. I tried to like talk with a friend. I only have like two people, one or two people to whom I can like at least like call them whenever I want. And even those people are like suddenly from few days are like totally busy in their life. So I was literally like feeling like shit. Now usually people have been like back talking and gossiping about me from like a lot of years, and most of those people are like the people from my own family. I don't even know if I should say that, but it is just what it is. They are biologically my family. It's like I have been having like all enough of all this from like 12 years, like just mentally like enduring everything, and then why this keeps happening to me, I don't understand. I'm saying about as soon as the 2 or 3 day hits when I'm trying to finally do something nice and having a proper schedule, these things happen. Now I literally have to do a lot of physical activity, I have to cook, I have to do. I mean, obviously, it's a necessity that you need water and there is no water supply out of nowhere, and they're not even gonna fix it. So, by fortune, after all this scene today, somehow I was able to get like a little bit of something like water and stuff. But then I also had to like carry that 25 something kgs of like book, like how what is it called? Like the water jug. I literally had to carry that twice or three times, twice I think, from the stairs. What is even happening in my life? Like there are people who are like in their room training and stuff. There are people who are like sitting in their home, and I know there are people who are having a lot worse than me, but that's not my point. I already had like my shares of suffering like from a lot of years now. Even if it's not been physical, it's been like mentally horrible. I literally wanted to die each day, and like for some reason I don't know, this from the moment this month I started, I'm just having the same feeling like each and every like 2 or 3 days I think. I am like so alone in my life right now. I had to either talk with like Chat GPT, but I have to literally just talk to myself, but I have to record my own voice so that I feel that I'm heard, like I have been heard, but then obviously I'm not because I am the only one who's listening my voice. and then I have to do something like this, record this video. So yeah, originally this was supposed to be a video of horrible audition day and other things that I should not repeat probably, but then it just became a horrible moment in life. And yeah, I literally like called somebody who I have not talked to from like a very long time. I wonder if I can like stay at her house or like some other solution comes up. I am like, I don't even know what to say at this point. I'm just like, why can I not have like a few days where I can do my work properly without any single trouble, because it keeps happening every time. I don't even want to repeat all that thing that I already said once. Oh god. I know like every big and small problems are feeling like too big because I am alone, because the me in the from like I don't know how many years been alone like this. I don't know what to tell you at this point. I'm just like, I just hope I get out of this place. I don't honestly at this point I feel like I cannot like continue to live like this like for longer now, because I just don't know. This is the one thing that I have been asking like the gods or like whatever, like literally just like this thing does not happen. Where it's like I understand the logic behind everything and I understand the steps that I need to do for every problem that I'm having, but like emotionally I cannot catch up on like a single thing at this point. I just feel like doing even like smaller problems or bigger problems alone is like feels like too much for me, because I sometimes I just feel like it would have been so nice if there was like a person who would have just said something like it's going to get solved, and even if it's not going to get solved, this is how you should solve it, or anything at this point, because I have to do everything by myself. Like I literally have to feel, I feel like I have to fight each and everything right now. All the people I know, each and every person that I know, I have to fight each and every person. Each and everything that I do, I have to fight those things. Each and every time I'm trying to sleep and wake up, I have to like just fight myself just so that I'm like just for the sake of like the fact that I'm living, not even like anything else. So I don't even know. I know everything that I'm supposed to do now logically. I'm even like from inside I'm blaming myself, because I know there are people who are in like a lot worse condition and they live. But then what does that have to do with me? If somebody is in like worse condition, is that okay for me to live in worse condition just because of the people are, I don't understand. Then there is this like too much overthinking happening in my head which I don't understand. I just don't know. I'm like so tired at this point. I'm not even tired of these problems. I'm just tired of being in this situation which is happening from like a decade now. Like all the people I know, all the people have told me things like they cannot stay alone for like even like 1 or 2 days because they feel like they're going mad. I'm like staying like that from like almost like around 10 years now, 8 to 10 years. How long do I have to stay like this? I don't understand. It's like when I'm between like 10 people, I somehow feel like more worse, because I feel like more alone even though there are all these peoples. And this is not like a one single place, this is like each and every place that I've gone to till now. I've never ever felt once that I'm like with people. I just always felt like I cannot say a single thing that I'm doing. I cannot even say a single thing that how am I going to talk about the problems that I'm having because of these things, or anything else for that matter. What am I even doing? Like being alive is what I don't understand. The worst and worst thing has always is just like my mind knows each and everything. How can I solve it and what could happen? And like I'm saying, you understand each and everything logically, but I just cannot emotionally handle all these things. That's what the problem might be. I don't know. No, the only thing I wish for you at this point is like I hope you soon have a direction to go somewhere. I already know what I want to do, and I'm trying to figure out how to do it finally after all these years. But I don't have a direction of where I should go and how I should do it, and then being alone on top of everything, already doing something which is like totally seems impossible, even if you have like a good life, and then I don't even have a good one on top of that. I just feel like shit for some reason. I don't understand. I just hope like you have a direction. So that's half of the time and half of my life is like just getting based on the fact that I'm like confused about each and everything that's happening. Not only I'm confused, but then all these like dumb people keep doing dumb things, and me knowing that it is like dumb and useless, but it still somehow emotionally affects me so horribly that I literally ended up crying for all these hours because like some dumb motherfuckers are like gossiping about me, which literally does not do like a single percentage of anything in my life ever. Why did I have to cry because of these people? I don't understand. I'm supposed to do my work. I'm going to do my work honestly. I'm not. I don't understand anything more. I hope you have like a direction by the time whenever you're watching this. Like literally, I hope you know where you're going and what you're going to do, and you kind of go and like belong somewhere. This is not even a matter of like hard work. This is just like I don't know how to like even survive by myself at this point. I literally have like I don't know. I don't even know at this point. I just don't know. I just please let me at least have a place where I can like do the things that I need to do literally. Like why is it like I cannot even like have a place where I can work hard, let alone about like working hard or anything. How long I do have to like keep like fighting all this invisible bullshit? The problem is just like these things keep repeating from so many years. I'm feeling like all these years I've kept myself somehow alive. Like, why did I even do it? It was good that I did not wanted to be alive, but then somehow I ended up being alive and living and dreaming again and trying to work towards it, and then these keeps things happening all the time. Apart from the fact that I am not like dubbing myself each and every time, other people are like adding stuff onto that, and I'm just simply like trying to like live and do my work. Why is it so difficult to just like calmly have few days of where I can literally peacefully do my work without some kind of nonsense happening, like there is not no water supply bullshit or whatever. I know logically that either it gives somehow solve or either it doesn't, but then emotionally nothing catches up to my brain. I keep like I feel like I had like a panic attack happening throughout all these hours while I was crying. Even though I know like that is like pretty much like useless to do. I hope like I get selected somewhere. I go to some place where I can like go and belong there and I can like do something about that fact instead of like roaming like some kind of like stray dog at this point living here and there. What time is it? 25 minutes. It's a good thing that I made this after I'm done crying, because I was literally like crying like an ugly ass person, honestly. Yeah. I just want to work hard. Like, is there like somebody's like listening to me? Like, do something. I cannot like handle all this nonsense anymore. I don't even feel like I will live long enough if this keeps continuing at this point. Even if I'm talking to like Chat GPT or whatever, even that's getting so out of hand that I know each and everything it's exactly going to say like most of the time. But again, in the end, that's like the only thing where I can talk. This is how worse my condition is right now. I don't know. I still have to like see. I already decided what I'm supposed to do exactly, but then again, like I said, I feel so much pain here for some reason. Like I feel too much pain. I don't know. Actually, like I feel everything like this. Every time this keeps piling up, these kind of things. It's like everything that has been piling up like from all these years, like it just like come together and it just pains me for some reason to just like survive and live and breathe and like sleep and wake and do anything at this point. I literally hope that you are going to be able to stay somewhere soon, because if you're not going to, I don't know what's gonna happen. I have no idea. But I'm going to do my work nevertheless, because fuck everyone. Fuck everything that's happening. I'm still going to do my work, even if I'm going to be like dying or something soon, because I'm going to do my work and I'm going to improve. And I don't know how long will I even get to like stay under like a proper roof at this point, even though it's not proper at this point actually. But anyway, yo, I am going to do my work nevertheless, so that I get to live somewhere and do my work honestly, and not like worried about dumb shit at this point, and be not alone as I am right now. And yup, nothing else. What else do I even say at this point? I don't know. I'm going to go do my work no matter what's happening, and if something does happen, I will just come back here to talk about it, because why not? And yeah, the future me who's watching this, I hope you have a direction where you are staying in right now. I hope you have a good place to stay. I hope you can practice for like long hours. I hope you can at least have the chance to work hard at this point, even if nothing else. Even the ability where I can at least do something is a big moment for me at this point, I think, instead of everything else. So yeah, so that these kind of things happen. For that reason, I am going to go and do work. Fish, push. No, it's not. Push. Good luck. Good luck to not you. Good luck to me, so that actually good luck comes to you. So yeah, good luck to me. I'm going to do stuff. Hopefully I survive. Hopefully I live, and nice things happens.